Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. Today, I'm going to guide you through a gentle restorative practice full of stretching and mindful movement that you can do at the end of the day to help you unwind and relax, or in the morning to help you ease into the day and feel more grounded and present. But before we begin, if you enjoy these daily Qigong videos on YouTube and want to support the channel, consider joining my membership site. You get access to longer routines. You also get access to a weekly live class and all the recorded Zoom sessions. You can find more information in the description below this video. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin today's practice. Begin in a standing position with your feet firm on the ground. Unlock your knees, relax your hips, then bring your tailbone slightly forward to help you open up and relax your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders, keeping your spine nice and straight. Bring your chin slightly in and lengthen through the back of the neck. Take a moment here to become aware of your physical body. Notice how you feel, notice how you stand, and relax. From here, bring your hands near your abdomen, lift to the chest, rotate, and open up through the front of the body. Then draw your hands back down as if you're bringing a cloud that also brings that relaxation down the front of the body. Bring your hands in. Begin to open and lengthen through the front. Release gently, allowing your face to soften, the chest, the ribs, the abdomen, the hips, all the way down to your feet. We go again, open up through the front. And gently let go, softening the entire body. From here, raise one hand overhead, turn and look up, opening yourself, stretching down the side of your body. Bring your hand back down as you slowly relax the neck, the shoulder, down the side, the ribs, into your hip, all the way down to your heel. Creating those lines of relaxation through your body. Same on the other side, open up. Release. Now bringing your attention down the side of your body. We go again. Keep your breath as relaxed as possible. Relax. Simply experiencing the relaxation effect. Open up. A little bit of effort. Feel your muscles stretching. Creating space between your ribs. Opening up. And then feel your body progressively relaxing as you move your hand down. Then bring both hands overhead. Open up. And make sure that you lift your rib cage, engage in the muscles of the back. Opening up. And then bringing your hands down to relax. And we go again, open up. At this stage, you feel your entire body engaged. All the muscles, all the tendons relax. Very, very good. From here, extend your arm out and you can create a triangle with your index finger and your thumb. Same on the other hand, but pull in your elbow, opening the arch between the shoulder and the torso. Look far into the distance as you open in through your chest and down your arm. Relax and let go, just soften. Same on the other side. Without letting your chest flare up, check in with your lower back. It remains nice and flat. Relax. Very good. From here, making your hands into a triangle, same position, and we're going to push out in opposite directions. Then soften, draw your hands in, relax in all the tendons, all the muscles, all the joints. On an inhale, we're going to push out. On an exhale, we're going to soften. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Just making sure that you're not compensating by sticking your bum out and letting your chest flare up. You extend and you relax and into that stretch. Your arms feel long and extensive. Relax. One more time, breathe in. Breathe out, drawing your hands in, down to the belly, and relax by the side. From here, we're going to do some hip rotation. I'm talking very slowly. I'm so into this slow stretches. Here you want to find a range of motion that feels comfortable, that feels good, that you can potentially do this exercise for a very long time. Very good. And then change the direction. Just continue opening up through your hips. Very, very good. Okay, bring yourself back to center. Bring your feet together. We're going to go down and circle the knees. And I want you to be very gentle, especially if you have problems related to the knee joints. Using your hands to kind of stabilize the cups. Very good. We change the direction. Very good. Last one here. And then gently open up the back of the knee, just kind of press it out, and then come out with the head up and shake it loose. And then assume a slightly wider stance, letting your toes go out a little bit, maybe 45 degrees, and make sure that you can comfortably bend your knees without letting your knee go over your toes. This is probably the most important thing for this exercise. So finding the range that allows you to sink down comfortably, distributing the weight, opening up through the groin, while keeping your lower back nice and relaxed, and distributing, as I said already, distributing the weight without going over your toes. So making sure that you really feel the weight on your feet and not on your knees. And I want you to make your hands, kind of gathering all the fingers together. From here, as we straighten our knees, we're going to squat down, bringing the hand in and opening as if we're holding a cup of tea in the front of us. Then we straighten up again, and we do the same to the other side. We breathe in, we breathe out. We go in very slowly. Getting a nice, pleasant rotation across the abdomen and the lower back. We're also moving and twisting the muscles and the skin in our legs. The back of the hand, the other hand that goes behind, assumes the same position. So as the knee or the elbow is bent in the other direction. And here, don't try too hard. Allow yourself to relax in motion, to move with comfort. Same principle, because I'm not putting myself under a lot of stress. I'm only squatting a little bit. I can go a lot lower, but I don't. I can do this exercise for a longer period of time. So I'm feeling relaxed, and I want you to experience that relaxation in motion. Less effort. Last couple of times. I'm checking in with my lower back, making sure I'm not compensating. I'm sending all the hard work to the legs, and I'm very relaxed in my upper body. Encourage you to do the same. Good. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. And then slowly come out. You can shake your legs to the side. Release some of that energy. Relax the knees. Relax your ankles. Very good. And we finish quickly by gathering the energy around us and let it settle. Bringing it to the belly. And concentrate on yourself, on the area inside your abdomen. Maybe take a couple of deep breaths in and out the nose. Good. Relax, come out, and finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoy this movements, that nice, coordinated, yet relaxed exercise. So let me know how you get on in the comments below this video. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, I wish you great health, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams.